Cancer, welcome to the 2021 horoscope. The results, the careers, what will be happen, life settlement, money earning, and everything going to cover up today. See, for 2021, for cancers, will be a year and which they are focusing on friends and their future. A year of a decision when it comes to these matters. They may meet a person with the same interest as them, who will become their best friend. So good choice, guys. As all they need to do is to get out of their shell and be open to new people. Say they will want a lot to fly at a new heights. Their ambitions going to be very strong. Many opportunities will come their way for them to change their current circumstances, as they will also have more responsibilities. It's important they have a look over what they need in order to achieve their goals, because 2021 will be favorable for them in this direction, especially if they want to extend their education or to make a good name for themselves, being sure that their home is secure and their family happy. They may succeed when it comes to other aspects of their life too. However, before they get too satisfied with what's going on with them at work and or in their social life, they need to make sure everything is all right with their family. For as long as Jupiter will transit through the solar in seventh house, they will pay a lot of attention to perhaps partnerships. I'm sorry. In case they happen to be single, they will be presented many opportunities for romance. Not to mention they won't be willing to make any compromise for as far as love goes. Yes, their standards will be kept high, but at least they will have the chance to meet someone who meets them. Their partnerships, they will already be involved in or going to start prospering. Not to mention, they will have enough reasons to offer their support to their loved ones. This cycle is very much associated with advancements next to a partner. If they have started a partnership or collaborate with someone, they will achieve what they want from that connection. Aside from all this, Cancerians will have a very busy social life, no matter if it's about business or pleasure. Just because their influence is going to be a supportive ones, they should avoid being egocentric or at all costs, as other may grow to be tired of them. In case they have a problem with uh, what the people they know think of them, they shouldn't hesitate to ask for advice and support from time to time. Their position will be good if they want to assess with their competitors are standing and meet the demands they are required to fulfill, especially if their career has them being competitive. They may realize that their old competitors are turning into aliens too. The solar and lunar eclipses happening in 2021 will have them more eager to have balance between work and personal life, because they may be no longer not giving importance to one of these life aspects. It's true, the dilemma on how to do this will exist, because if they would decide to spend less time at work, the comfort of their family would be compromised. But need to do something about it. Therefore, they should set their priorities straight and see what their heart truly desires. Knowing what their needs are, they will be able to fulfill by them without caring with others may have to say. Their family may play them a lot, not to mention, and they will be more interested in the tradition of their homes. However, they will have to determine which one of these traditions honor them. Also, which one allows them to grow from a personal point of view. In case they are the head of their family, they will come across new ways to make their loved ones happy, while also paying attention to their own needs. during the month of April and one of October. The crisis situation at home will be at their highest peak for them. While the changes coming are sure to be positive, they will still face many difficulties and may need to be more responsible for them than ever. What to keep in mind? Jupiter, the planet of luck, in this one, and it's the first tour of the Aquarius and enter two pieces. The solar ninth house on January 17th. So Cancer natives should take advantage of this time period to travel and broaden their horizons. They may need to be on the road of the road for business, going to seminars and trainings. Not unlikely for them to be the teachers as the events too. In the middle of September, they may meet someone who can help them a lot. Something that will happen in their travels. This person will help them put their talents so user. For career 2121 wants them to take advance and any opportunities coming to their way. They may get a preview of the year in the brief of visit of Jupiter, their solar 10th house of career, social status for June 5th until September 17th. They should make sure they are meeting with the right people and you are using their reputation as much as possible, especially when it comes to carry, as Jupiter is going to be in the pieces most of 2021. In case they don't know how to do is this, they should talk about it with a mentor. Such a person could help them how to use their ability to maximum. Most of year Saturn is transiting Libra, the solar fourth house, but it also returns to solar third house from April 17 to July 20th, just to end its transit in Virgo. For this transit, Cancers are given the opportunity to take care of the third house matters. They should make sure they solve all the problems they may have with their partner, siblings, or neighbors. Saturn is also going to align itself perfectly with Uranus in Pisces on their solar third to ninth house axis. They should use this settle legal matters and they are not sure to achieve success. At the same time, they should avoid as much as possible doing anything illegal. Saturn in Libra indicates their domestic responsibilities are going to increase. So the next couple or more years, they may need to take care of an old relatives or perhaps one of their children will need to spend some time at home. This means they need to set boundaries with the person they are spending time with. At the same time, may be ready to make some compromises. Coming to the Cancer, horoscope 2021. Neptune and Uranus are very powerful planets. They have been Cancer house of marriage of some years already. Remain here for the more other years too. In 2020, these planets will be conjunction in three times. Something that happens very rarely that will bring some changes, some more ideas, events in our life of cancers, love life of cancers. I'm sorry. These rare conjunctions are made for excitement, making crabs relationships stimulating, surprising, and even unstable. Even business partnerships will be tested, with those that no longer be connected dissolving forever. There will be the situation in which advice is going to require natives to move to a new house. Breakups won't mean they are flawed as far as love goes. Just they are going through a more difficult time. Perhaps they have entered their marriage without knowing what's going to happen after a wedding, or perhaps they haven't realized it. There's something better of them out there. In case they have settled for less in Neptune and Uranus coming 2021 to make justice. They may even meet someone who can fulfill their romantic dreams, which means they no longer have to make any compromise in order to be in a relationship. Single cancers will have a 2020 filled with the serious commitments. Yes, good luck. As all while they will also probe and test the field to see what they really want from love. The married ones will experiment with the new and their marital connection. They will discover that they can break rules and make new ones with their partner. All they have to do is make sure they aren't destructive with their experiments. With the scares them maybe to the liking of their other half. But this doesn't mean they should go with it. It can be said that for them, 2021 will be a year in which you are searching for a perfectionist as far as love goes. Sorry, Cancer career horoscope 2021. Seriously, when it comes to career, 2020 is going to be good one for cancers. Good time, good one, and all the best. And yes, this will progress at work. And if they happen to run their own business, they will make a good money with it. And some of them will learn how to earn extra income. Not to mention all the professional projects will succeed. In their financial situation will also be very good. Their astral aspect in the 11th house indicates they will save as much as they want. So they should build their wealth up as much as possible in 2021. Big investments are also carefully, for I'm using this word, advised, but choose carefully. And do big investments is okay, good, but check out with the horoscope and 2021 horoscope and come to one conclusion and go for big investments. That's it. And cancer health in 2021, as far as the health goes, that the cancers will be very good in 2021. Their mindset will be the positive because Saturn and Jupiter will be in the ascendant. It's important they try to eat well and do some yoga for meditation. In case they have suffered from weather related diseases in the past, they will go away this year. Some problems may appear from April 6th until April 14th, but they will rapidly recover. So this is about the cancer's horoscope 2001. Moreover, if I'm going to see totally 2021 is very good for them. Yeah, it's good. Yes, 2021, before ending that, you are going to tell me, Kalyan sir, Kalyan Pandit sir, yes, you are right. Yeah, excellent year for us, and we are earning a lot of money. Just everything is going to good. You are going to tell me, and subscribe me, forward to friends, relatives, everyone. And this is about the story, and I will get back with our daily horoscopes, monthly horoscopes, and bye. And 2021 monthly horoscopes will be there, and watch it.